Welcome, today I'm showing how to lock your SIM card with SIM pin into a Poco X4 GT. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into password and security option. Here go into privacy option, and now on the top we got SIM lock option, so I've got only one SIM card, so choose this card, and for locking my SIM card need to activate this option by tapping on the switcher lock SIM card. So tap on the switcher and now need to enter my pin, so for example this one, and tap OK, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.